Does Newton accept USDT? Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, does Newton accept USDT? I know a lot of you are interested in this topic, so I'm excited to finally be able to give you a definitive answer. Before I get into the answer, let's take a quick look at what USDT is. USDT is a stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar. This means that 1 USDT is always worth $1. This makes USDT a very popular currency for trading and investing, as it provides a stable asset to hold during volatile market conditions. Now, let's get to the answer. Yes, Newton does accept USDT. This is great news for anyone who wants to use USDT to trade or invest on Newton. How to deposit USDT on Newton? Go to the Newton website and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the Wallets tab. Select Deposit. Choose USDT as your currency. Enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit. Click on Deposit. Once your USDT has been deposited, you can start using it to trade or invest on Newton. Here are some of the benefits of using USDT on Newton. USDT is a stable currency, so you don't have to worry about your investment value fluctuating. USDT is widely accepted, so you can easily use it to trade or invest on other platforms. Newton offers a wide range of USDT pairs, so you can easily find the right pair for your trading needs. In addition to USDT, Newton also accepts a number of other cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when using USDT on Newton. Newton charges a fee for depositing and withdrawing USDT. The amount of USDT that you can deposit and withdraw is limited. You can only use USDT to trade or invest on Newton. You cannot withdraw USDT to your bank account. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.